you have it, the engine that we just replaced. You see everything is running fine, all parameters are working now. Currently doing a second test drive on Abu Kumar highway stretch. So we are trying to test the performance of the engine, the newly installed engine. Still with the performance, 100 kilometers per hour. Still no sign of any abnormalities with the engine. Okay, so get it back. Get it back to the shop. Still no sign of any abnormalities with the engine. Everything in the parameters is fine. We are going to do an uphill test to test the performance of the engine together with the transmission. So, here we go. So we successfully passed the uphill climb. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop, and after doing a performance test on the engine, doing an uphill drive, we're still all good to go.